Hi, in this video I will show you how I design furniture from a scratch before I create 3D model of sofa in ArchiCAD. So, keep on watching until the end of this video. Hi, is it your first time here? Do you want to learn 3D modeling and realistic rendering? Please click like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified for new uploads. First, I created isometric box, then divide from foot height, seat height, arm height, and back seat height. These are the important part to get proportion on furniture drawing. If you learned today, leave as a comment. Let us know if you need to see more on furniture design drawing aside of architectural topic. We have a regular upload video on architectural topic every Friday and furniture topic every Monday. So, mark your calendar for this days. Give us a like to help our channel, hit the subscribe button with the bell to get notified for new creations. See you on next video.